Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have JBL T450BT wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if these headphones are not working for any reason, like they're not connecting to your phone, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you decide you just want to get a new set of headphones, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good pair at a good price. But the other reason you might want to do this reset is just if for whatever reason you want to delete all of the pairing history off of it and everything like that. So you can set these up basically like they're new coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that really easily on these headphones. We just need to turn them on and make sure they have a decent charge on them. And once they're on, we're just going to come in and we're going to simultaneously press and hold the volume down and volume up buttons for 5 or more seconds. And after those 5 or so seconds, you'll see the headphones will actually turn off and then they will reboot automatically into its factory default settings. You can go ahead and set them up as a new set of headphones.